How to download Canva Student app. Well, the Canva Student app is a powerful tool designed to enhance the learning experience by providing students with seamless access to their courses and educational resources on the go. Through the app, students can view and submit assignments, participate in discussions, and keep track of all the grades and feedbacks. So if you want to install it on a device, then what you want to do is head over to App Store if you're on your iOS device, or move into Play Store if you're on your Android device. Let me head over to App Store for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Canva Student. Move into this app. Over here, the option of Get will be visible to you. Click on it. Now tap on Install. Now the application will start to install on a device. All you have to do is wait for a while for it to complete. And there you go, the installation process has been completed and the application has been successfully downloaded on a device. Now you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Canva Student app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.